Hey guys, welcome back. Today, we're diving into 7 simple exercises to burn fat, fast at home. These exercises are perfect for anyone looking to shed pounds without fancy equipment or a gym membership. Let's get started and crush this workout together.
All right, let's kick things off with jumping jacks. Begin by standing with your feet together and your arms at your sides. Jump your feet out to the sides while raising your arms overhead. Then jump back to the starting position. Maintain a steady rhythm and keep your core engaged. Aim to do this for 30 seconds, then take a short break before repeating. Jumping jacks improve cardiovascular fitness and coordination. So let's get those feet moving and make every jump count. Next up, we have high knees. Start by standing with your feet hip-width apart. Lift your right knee toward your chest, then quickly switch to lift your left knee. Keep the movement brisk and maintain a steady pace. High knees work your lower body and abs, making them a superb cardio workout. Do this for about 30 seconds to a minute. Incorporating high knees will help you burn fat efficiently while improving stamina and leg strength. Now let's talk about burpees. Start in a standing position, drop into a squat with your hands on the ground, kick your feet back into a plank, perform a push-up, then jump back to standing. Burpees combine strength training and cardio, making them highly effective for fat loss. They work multiple muscle groups, including your chest, arms, legs, and core. Aim for 10 to 15 reps, take a short break, and then go for another set. Focus on doing each burpee correctly to maximize the benefits. Up next, we have mountain climbers. Start in a plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders. Drive your right knee towards your chest, then quickly switch to your left knee. Maintain a fast pace while keeping your core tight and back straight. Mountain climbers burn calories and strengthen your core muscles. Aim to perform this move for 30 seconds to a minute, then take a short break. You'll start feeling the burn and seeing results quickly with this dynamic exercise. Our next exercise is squat jumps. Begin by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower into a squat position, then explode upwards into a jump, reaching your hands towards the ceiling. Land softly and immediately lower back into the squat position. Squat jumps engage your quads, hamstrings, and glutes while also getting your heart rate up. Aim for 10 to 15 reps, rest, and then go for another set. Focus on maintaining proper form to avoid injury. Let's get jumping and feel the burn in those legs. Next, we have plank jacks. Start in a plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders. Jump your feet out to the sides and then back together, similar to a jumping jack motion. Plank jacks work your core, shoulders, arms, and legs. Perform this exercise for 30 seconds to a minute, then take a short break. Stay focused on your form and don't forget to breathe. Lastly, we have bicycle crunches. Begin by lying flat on your back with your hands behind your head and your legs lifted off the ground. Twist your torso to bring your right elbow towards your left knee while extending your right leg out straight. Then, switch sides, bringing your left elbow towards your right knee while extending your left leg. Continue alternating sides in a pedaling motion. Keep your core engaged and your movements controlled. Aim for 20 to 30 reps on each side, rest, and then go for another set. Bicycle crunches are excellent for sculpting your abs and improving core strength.
Great job, everyone. You've just completed 7 simple exercises to burn fat fast at home. Remember, consistency is key, so keep incorporating these moves into your routine. If you enjoyed this workout, please like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more fitness tips. Stay active, stay healthy, and keep pushing towards your goals. You've got this. Until next time, take care and keep moving forward.